Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Hyundai iX20 from any screen. If you click on nav, it comes up address, last destination's address book. We want address. Then we click postcode. That's the easiest way to enter it. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. It's now defaulted to numbers 5, 4, EA. That's it, PR54EA. You then have to click on what you've just entered. That's it, check it, Blackburn Road, and click start. And click start again. Mind you, it's now giving you two options, the fast route and then probably the slow route. But so we'll select one of those. Click start.
Starting route guidance.
There's one too many stages in there, I think, that Hyundai could have cut out. But anyway, it only takes you a couple of seconds more, and it saves you a whole lot of aggravation in taking wrong turnings when it's activated. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.